Hi, hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to make more money online with Google AdSense in Nigeria. In this video I'm going to explain what Google AdSense is. I'm going to show the potential of your earnings, and I'm also going to talk about how you can get started with Google AdSense today. Now the first thing you want to ask me is that what is Google AdSense exactly? See, Google AdSense is a kind of program that is owned by Google. You know, Google is the biggest company on the internet, even though in the whole wide world right now. So Google has a program that is called Google AdSense, and the way it works is that it pays you to earn. It pays you for the content you put on your website. So let's say you have a website, usually a blog website, where people can visit, and because there are a lot of people who are trying to advertise their business, so when you partner with Google is going to put this advert on your website, and when these adverts are there on your website, people can see this advert as they're visiting your blog site, and they can click on it and they can start earning without you having to sell anything. Yes, the beauty of Google AdSense is that you can start making money online without you needing to sell anything, or just by displaying ads on your website. And all you just need to do is get a website for yourself and put interesting content there that people will love to read, and as they are visiting your website they can be seeing ads, and you get paid when they see the ads, and you get paid more, you earn more when they click on the ads. So it's two ways you're earning. You earn for view, and you earn when you click on the ads. So the earning you earn when they click on the ads is more than the one you earn when they view the ads. So first of all, you might be, well, okay, this Google AdSense is nice, it's fine, you like to get started. You want to know how much can you even earn with Google AdSense before you even get started. Now let me show you the potential of Google AdSense. Now the first thing is that you want to come here. If you want to get to this website, you just go to google.com/AdSense. You want to click on any region from here. This is where your traffic is going to come from, and you want to click on any category of your choice. In my case, I like to choose finance because I'm in the finance niche. Now you can see this is Asia. This is traffic. These are visitors that are coming to your website. Somehow when you build your own blog site, you will notice that at a particular time you have a lot of visitors coming from a particular region. Yes, you can have more coming from these Asia and Pacific countries, and you are going to have a niche that the blog is all about. Now when I click on calculate, as you can see now, Google just showed me that this is my potential earning yearly. As you can see, if I have 50,000 page views every month, I'm going to be earning this amount of money. What about if my traffic increases? You can see as my traffic increases, my earning increases. But for the average blogger, let's say you have 50,000 visitors per month on your blog, you're going to be earning this amount of money. Now let me ask you one question. When you divide this 15,000 by 12, how much is it going to be? Let's do this calculation right now. So we have 15,000 0.12 divided by 12. Now can you see you have this $1,251. Now imagine if you're earning this every month. Would this not change your life? Would this not make your life more easier? And perhaps because it's in dollars, you might not see the real value. So let's multiply by the standard bank rate, 415. This is it, 500 and something thousand. If you're earning this amount of money every month, would this not change your life? Would this not help you save, achieve your financial goals? That is it. That is the value you can get from leveraging Google Ads to make money online. And all you need to just do to have a blog site of your own where you publish content, and then you can start earning with Google Ads. And this is it. As you can see, your earning depends on your monthly traffic, as you can see, and it also depends on the countries that your traffic are coming from. And you can see the earning here is much smaller because of where the traffic are coming from, and most times your traffic are going to be mixed. Yes, your traffic are going to be mixed, and Google is going to give you this money based on the total calculation of where your visitors are coming from, as you can see. Yeah, so now you will be like, okay, how do you start earning with Google Ads? Yes, for you to get started with Google Ads, you got to have a website, you got to have a blog. You can get a blog, and then you have to create content on those blogs, and when you have like 15 content, you can apply for Google Ads, and Google Ads is going to review your website. And when Google Ads review your website, they are going to approve it, or if they have any other issue, they are going to tell you to fix those issues. And when that is done, you can start earning, you can start working on more content to the website, and the more visitors you get, the more earning you earn with Google Ads. So as I said earlier, for you, in order for you to make money with Google AdSense, you have got to have a website or a blog site where you can always put regular content. And the issue is that a lot of beginners don't have the resources to do this. They don't have the technicality to build a website, a blog site. Some of them say they can create content. Some of them have so many issues why they can't have a blog of their own. But let me tell you right now that having a blog is the easiest way to make money online in Nigeria. Only that the beginning, as a beginner who doesn't have any technical skill, as a beginner who is not a content writer, it's going to look difficult from the beginning, and that's why a lot of people don't even try to take advantage of this opportunity. So what we do right now is that if you're interested in having your own blog, but you don't have the time, to learn how to create a blog, you don't have the time to create content, but you're really interested in earning this dollar, making money from Google. So we have created a done for you system whereby we're going to help you to create a blog, we're going to help you to put the content, we're going to help you to put premium themes and plugin, we're going to help you to show you how to get traffic to this blog without you doing anything. We're going to set up everything from A to Z. We build the blog for you, we build theme, we put content, and we even apply for Google AdSense for you. So if you're interested in this done for you system whereby you can have your blog and start earning online, all you have to do is click the link in the description of this video so you can go over there to see how this done for you system is going to work, and see how this done for you system is going to start helping you to earn dollars right now in Nigeria. Take care, have a nice day.